Yeah, what's good, guys? I've been screaming this for the longest period of time. BTC has to go beneath 15K before creating new all-time highs. All right, so let's just mark out our highs and our lows. Okay. We can definitely see right across from the 1st of June 2017, price did what? Price started creating an interception of what? Higher highs and higher lows. This is what another higher low. This is a minor higher high, minor what higher low. Price created what another what higher high. Price then created what another higher low. Price created what a leg to the upside, a higher high. We should be expecting what a higher low, but price created what? Price created a lower low. Okay, so if you mark this region as our last push to the upside, which was our last higher low, price then came all the way up to do what? To retest this region right here. Okay. People could say price retested the breaker block. I prefer to use the general name. Price came back to retest the area of supports. People could use this as confluence. This is the FVG just right here. But all we know is that price has changed directions towards from the upside to the downside. Our next question to ask, where is price going to? Is price coming to this region? No, there's no POI around here. Would price be coming to this region? Most definitely. But would this region hold price all the way to what? Create new all-time highs? No, it would not. Okay, this is a rally-based rally, but price would not be creating new highs and new lows all the way to go above our last major high. So what's our next option? What's our next option here? Definitely not. We know when price is in an uptrend, price is creating what higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. And the moment a new lower low is formed, we expect what? A retrace to the upside, and we expect all previous higher highs and higher lows towards to get cleared all the way to the downside. So we would agree this is another what's higher low, and this is what's another higher low. So if we expect all these lows to get cleared, we've had low one get cleared, we have two extra lows to get cleared. What next do we have? We have this point of interest right here, which is what? An area of demand or what? Support. I'll be expecting price to do what? Old school way, come all the way to the downside and what start creating higher highs and higher lows. Okay, all the way above 126K. Okay, now let's go to the daily time frame and let's be more accurate for entries into the following week. Okay, let's take this out. Let's take this out as well. This is our interception point. Okay, price has created what? Two taps on this trend. We'll be expecting what? A third tap to what? Continue to the downside. Okay, what then can we see here? We can definitely see this is our region where price came back to retest, creating another tap on this trend line. I would be expecting price to do what? Come all the way here. We can see the fresh drop base drop. You guys know I use this a lot. Fresh drop base drop. People can say, well, this is an order block. I always like to do my things old school way. This is simply an area of support that got broken. Okay. And we're expecting what price to come all the way back, retest this region and do what? Keep pushing down all the way beneath 16K. So this is what I'll be looking for towards the following week. I am quite accurate with my strategy, especially when I start from the higher time frame. Okay. I'm looking for a 1 to 4. And then I'll be looking for continuations all the way to the downside.